All right, today we are going to be unboxing the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. This is the unboxing channel. This is where we unbox stuff. So, I'm working on some different microphones here on this channel, and hopefully these sound better than the last ones. But look at this. This is it. Kind of gives you a little bit on the box here. Some cool design. And you have your glasses here in the charging station. Some stuff down here as well. Looks like we have just a little bit of information, and get this out. That'd be great. Wowzers. User manual. Cleaning cloth. Quick start guides, things like that, helping you go around, and some demo bifocal things or whatever. Cool. And a clip. A nose clip here, in case you need that. So here it is. Inside, here are the glasses. Wow. Wow. It's like a little cover for it. There's your glasses there. Sorry, a lot of glare and stuff, but very cool. They have built-in speakers and microphones, so they're smart glasses, and they will display things on the screen inside. Now, this is not a video, nor this channel is not videos about how they work exactly, but we just unbox and give you the experience of that. Kind of show you the product and first impressions right there. Sorry, it's tricky focusing here with glasses as always. So you have volume and looks like a settings button. And yeah, you can see how these kind of go in. So these are the demo ones. You can have your own prescription put in place, and here is the USB-C cable in here to charge. Very nice case as well. I'm excited to see how these work, how they sound, and what they can possibly do. But here we just unbox things. So there you go, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. That's it for today. Thanks. See you next time.